Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 19 of our series 99% in 99 days in CBSE mathematics, right? So I hope all of you are doing good. I am Ankit Srivastava asking you to join us on our platform Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel, where we are coming every day to help you revise, to help you prepare for your boards with maths and science sessions. So I hope you're watching all the videos. I hope you really hope that you're solving all the questions with us and clearing your doubts and boosting your preparation to a greater extent, right? So with this, let's give a thumbs up, give a comment if you have any questions, and start with the session. Okay, so today's session we'll talk about the session number 2 for arithmetic progression, and in this session we'll talk about what? We'll talk about nth term from the end. Means whenever we are asked to find any term from the end, how will we find that? There's a formula for that. We'll talk about that formula, and sum of n terms. This is very important. Reason being because this part bacha can consist of a question if it comes for 5 marks. Okay, they can give you what problems, they can give you a question statement, and they can ask you directly this question for 5 marker. Okay, so it becomes very important in that situation. So that's why a very important session. Please pay attention. Please pay attention to the concept and the questions also. I've taken total of 10 questions. We'll solve in the session today. Okay, now concept part might look very easy to you, but how to apply the concept, the formulas in the problems, that is what you have to learn today with me. So I hope you're ready for that. Let's start with the session. Coming up first is your chapter plan. I have already explained you this, right? So in this chapter you have to talk about the general form of arithmetic progression. So what I mean by this is, when can you call a given sequence, a given series to be arithmetic? The definition we have done, okay, in the first lesson. Now common difference, that's what defines arithmetic progression. Means the difference is always constant, sir. So common difference is there. Second is what? The general form of an AP, also called as nth term of an AP. In this only we are dealing with what? Nth term from the end. Whenever we are writing general form, what do we mean? We mean nth term from the first term side, okay? But we are also going to have the sub part of this section which we discussed today, nth term from the end of the AP, okay? So that is the general form. Next is what? Sum of first n terms of an AP. So we'll talk about the second part of general form, where we are talking about the nth term from the end and sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, sometimes they ask this question, that's why I've taken that topic also into consideration. Chaliye. So moving on, if you see the weightage category also, so weightage, chapter wise weightage we don't have, but we do have unit wise weightage. So you can, I have seen your PYQs, I have seen the pattern they're asking questions. From that analysis I can say that 5 to 6 marks you can expect bacha. 5 marker, a minimum, 6 mark up to max. Okay, means 5 mark on an average you can expect in this chapter for your boards examination. Okay, what type of question can come? So from this section, common difference and general formula, you can expect MCQ, 3 marker and 4 marker. From this section, sum of first n terms, they can expect a MCQ, a simple MCQ, or a 5 marker. Okay, when I say 4 marker, I mean case study. So I hope you understand that. Very important. I keep emphasizing on the case study because it is very important, bacha. There will be very easy question. If you miss out on that, 4 marks gone, simply. For that reason, please focus on case studies. Simple questions, simple formulas are there. If you know the concept, if you've done the chapter, you should be able to solve the case study at all the cost. Chaliye. Now moving on to the first thing, which is nth term from the end. What is the meaning of that, sir? So if you remember, how did we write the first term? If I write an AP, so this was A1, this was A2, this was A3, this was A4, and so on till AN, right? Same way, if I'm writing, let's say, so if you tell me what is the common difference from here, so plus D, every here, plus D. If my approach is from here to here, you see the arrow sign. What is it again going to be? Plus D. But if I go previous to this to bacha, what term will come here? Tell me, what term will come here? I'll have over here as A of n minus 1, right? The term previous to A of n, let's say this is 10th term. Which term is before 10th term, bacha? 9th term, right? Before 10th term, you'll have which term? 9th term. That's why A of n minus 1. Before that term, which term I'll have? A of n minus 2. And what's the common difference if I go this way now? If I go this way now, please check. If I'm trying to go in the opposite direction, okay, what's the difference now? Minus D. Means if I have to reach from the last term to the previous term of the last term, I'll have to do what? Minus the common difference. Same thing goes over here, right? Now see the situations now. If I'm taking care of the nth term from the beginning, how did I write the nth term from the beginning? I wrote an equals to the first term A1 plus what is it bacha? N minus 1 times of D. We got this derivation also. How we are getting it? A3 was A1 plus 2D, A4 was A1 plus 3D, AN was AN minus 1 plus 3D. Okay, so this was the formula if you remember. Okay, great. Same way, if I'm doing in this case, what will happen? Things will remain same. Instead of having this A1, I'll have, let's say, I'm talking about A nth term from the end, okay? From end of AP. Then we'll talk about what? We'll write this AN as what, bacha? This last term, this last term will become what? Simply L, right? This will become simply L. L is the last term. So right here, L, the last term. But will you add that with the last term or subtract with the last term? Think about it. Will you add or subtract? You're going to subtract, no, bacha? Minus D, minus D. So minus, how much it is? Same thing, sir. The formula looks like this. The formula looks like this. I can show you with example. Please have a look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Please check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. Okay. Now if I'm asking you to find fourth term from the beginning, check here. Fourth term from the beginning. Which term is that, bacha? Second, third, fourth. How will you solve it, sir? A4 equals to A plus, so 4 minus 1 because N minus 1 times of D. है ना? What are you gonna get? A4 equals to, what is A, bacha? 2 plus, what is it going to be? 3. What is D over here? Please check what is the D on this side. Plus 2 every time. Plus 2. So, how much I'm getting in this? So, 2 plus 6, how much is that, bacha? Simply 8. Have a look, is the same value. Fourth term is over here. But if I ask you to find what? Third term from the last. I'm asking you to find what? Third term from the end. From end. How will you use it? Use this formula over here. You'll write A3 will look like what? Check here. Or I can write it as L3 also if you want. From the last, right? So write it as L3 also, just to make a different notation, okay? So L3 will look like this, bacha. Have a look. L will write, no? The last term, L minus 3 minus 1. Please check. 3 minus 1 times of D. What is D now in this case? You have to take the negative, right? From here to here is minus 2. So, minus 2. Okay? No, I've already taken minus 2. Sorry. Forgive me. I've taken the minus sign over here, no? So, I've already taken the minus 2, bacha. Once I take this as minus, the 2 is actually minus. That's how it becomes minus, okay? So, I've taken the minus sign. I'll not take minus again. What is L going to be? Tell me here. L going to be 12. I hope this is clear, right? I cannot take minus over here because I've already taken the minus over here, sir. Please check. So that's why I can't take the minus over there. So 12 minus 2 times of 2. Please check how much is that. 12 minus 4, how much is that? 8. So whether you find the fourth term from the beginning or you find third term from the end, you're getting this what answer? Same answer. And that's the case in the AP that I've taken. Fourth term from the beginning. Term 1, term 2, term 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here. Term 1, term 2, term 3. So whether you go from here or here, fourth term from the beginning or third term from the end, answer is same as 8. But the formula is different. What is it? Over here we're using the last term minus n minus 1 into D. Over here, first term plus n minus 1 into D. Got it? So please remember this formula. I'll write again. If I write it like this, let's say last term from the end, like end term from the last. So last term minus n minus 1 times of D. Please remember this formula. Very, very, very important, okay? Chali. This is clear, bacha. This is clear, right? Simple concept. A very simple concept. Yes, sir? Okay, great. Shall I move on to the next concept? What is that going to be? I hope you know that. Sum of first n terms. Let's talk about that. Sum of first n terms. What is the meaning of this, sir? So I'll not do the derivation of this, but I'll explain you how the formulas only, what is the meaning of that. So if I write it the Sn, it means that you take the first term A1, take the second term A2, take the third term A3, so on, and last term An, and add all of them. and add all of them. When you do that, sum of all the terms will be giving you a result of what? S of n. How we write this as? S of n. The formula for that is, I'll not give you the derivation. If you want me to give you the derivation of this, let me know. I will do that in the revision session. Okay, just do one thing, let me know in the comment section, sir, please do the derivation of S of n. I don't think it's required because it's not even asked, the derivation is not asked in the sessions, but right now in your examinations also, right now write the formulas. If you want me to do the derivation, let me know in the comment section. Chaliye. So Sn is going to be what? You have two formula for this. One of the formula is n by 2 times of, what is that, bacha? Excuse me. We write the first term as A only, A, and the last term as L, bacha. Last term as L. So this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Now I can write last term also. This is my formula number 1. Okay, I can write last term also as this, right? First term, if they are, let's say, having how many terms? N terms, right? So n minus 1 times of d. है ना? Last term can also be written as nth term, right? So last term is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Replace this L value over here. What I'm gonna get? Please check. Sn equals to n by 2. How much is that? This a is already there, so a. For L I will write what? Another a plus n minus 1 times of d. Let's simplify this. What I'm ending up with? N by 2. A plus a is coming as 2a plus n minus 1 times of d. What is this, bacha? This is Sn. This is Sn, sir. Have a look. This is, so formula number 2. This is formula number 2. Formula number 2. Now I'll give you a result based upon these two formulas. No, not on the formula, based upon the sum of the n term. Remember these two formulas, n by 2 upon n by 2 times a plus l, and n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Remember these two formulas. Now one important result, sometimes, very rarely, but they ask this, result based question. And what is that, bacha? What is that? Think about it. Please think about it. If I write this sequence again, a1, a2, a3 till an, okay? Till an, okay? Now add all the terms from here to here. What it means, if you add all of it, take the sum over here. What is going to be, bacha? This is going to be S of n, right? S of n. But if I write the previous term to this, what is it? A of n minus 1. And this time I will take sum of all this term. I'll take sum of all this term. What will this be? S of n minus 1. Think about it. Sum of all term is going to be what? S of n, है ना? And sum of the term before the last term will be what? S of n minus 1, right? Or let's say there are 10 terms. There are how many? Let's say there are 10 terms. First term, second term, and so on till 10th term. Okay, before this we'll have what? We'll have 9th term also. So if you're adding all the terms till here, what is it going to be? Sum of 10 terms? Yes or no? Yes. Same way, if you add only till here, what are you going to get, bacha? You're going to get sum of the first 9 terms, right? Sum of first 10 term is S10, sum of first 9 term is S9. What's the difference of them? Please check. If you write it like this, S of 10 minus S of 9. If you write what? Sum of the first 10 terms for any given AP minus sum of the first 9 terms for any given AP. What's the answer? Think carefully. Is the 10th term only, na, sir? From all of this sum, you're taking out the sum of the 9 terms. What is left now? The last term is left. Think about it. The difference between the sum of 10 terms, sum of 9 term is what? The 10th term. Because in sum of 9 term, you have not included what? In sum of 9 term, you have not included the 10th term, right? When you are adding the first 9 term, you are leaving out the 10th term, right? So when you subtract the sum of 10 terms with sum of 9 term, what are you leaving? 10th term. So the formula is this. S10 minus S9 equals to A10. So if I write in terms of n, how will I write it, bacha? Let's see. Sir, I will write this as very simple, na, sir. S of n minus S of n minus 1, na, sir. If n is 10, 9 is n minus 1 is equal to A of n, sir. है ना? This is the result I was talking about. Please check. Very, 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 very important. they'll simply ask you this result based question in MCQ, or 2 marker, 3 marker. If they want to ask, they can ask you the question based on this result. Okay, just have to put the values of n and get the answer. So for that reason, very important to know this result. Okay, based upon from what? From the concept of sum of first n terms of an AP. I hope this is clear for you. Moving on to problems now, but before that, have a look. If you're having any doubt in this slide, let me know in the comment section. Okay, now I'm gonna solve 4 MCQ for you, 2 assess and reason, and rest of all subjective questions, 2 marker, 3 marker and 5 marker. So be prepared. Let's solve the first question, bacha. First MCQ. In an AP, if the first term is what, 7 and nth term is 84, then the sum of first n term is given like this. Okay, then find what is the n value. What is the value of n? Chali, let's see. Your CBSE Delhi paper, they've asked this question. How we solve it, bacha? Sn equals to n by 2 times of what? If you remember, first term plus the last term. In this case, last term is what? 84, na sir? Okay, sir. What is Sn given, bacha? 2093 upon 2. N I don't know, n by 2. What is A going to be? 7 plus 84. Cancel 2 and 2. I want this n value. So take 2093 divided by 8 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 1. 91 equals to what? N. So 3, is it 3? Is it 3? So 23 looks right. Please check. 91 times 23. Is it right? So 3 ones are 3. Okay, 9 threes are 27. Okay, 2 ones are 2. 9 twos are 18. Right? Looks good to me. 3902. Correct, na sir? How much is it, bacha? 23. If you want, you can divide by 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 2, 14, right? No. So we have to do by 7. 13 7 is 91, right? So 7 by 13 you can try. You're going to get the answer to be 23. Option number C. Division, please take care of the division part. Okay. Answer is 23. How did I guess it? If it is getting divisible, no? 1 times what will give me 3? So 3 only, right? 1 times 2 will not be 3. 1 times 4 will not be 3. 1 times 3 will not be 3. Correct, na? What number I have? I have 2093 by 91, right? What will you multiply with 1 to get 3, sir? 3 only, no? So that's why answer is 23. Got it? You can sometimes you have to use the concept, like that. Logic you have to use, okay? So be present in the question. Moving on to number 2. Question number 2. The fourth term of from the end. See, the concept has come now. Exemplar question. Great. For the AP they have given, bacha, let's figure it out. Minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 goes till 49. So my last term is what, sir? Last term is 49. Okay. What's the common difference, sir? If you check here, common difference going to be, bacha, minus 8 minus of, excuse me, minus 8 minus of minus 11. Please check. Minus 8 minus of minus 11, right, na sir? Okay, minus 8 minus of minus 11. How much is that, sir? Minus 8 plus 11, so plus 3. Okay. Now common difference is known, L is known. Find what? Find the fourth term. What is fourth term going to be? Sir, fourth term from the last asking. So I write it as L4, sir. Okay. Right, sir. L minus 4 minus 1, fourth term, into D. So 3. L is, sir, 49 minus 3 into 3, sir. So 40 is my answer. No, sir. 40 is my answer, sir. 40 is your answer. Option number B. Simple problem. Just knowing the formula is good enough for us. Moving on to question number 3. Question number 3. The sum of first 5 multiples of 3. Arey, this is the simplest question ever. 3. Next is what, bacha? 6. Do I need more? I don't need, sir. Please check. Sum of 5 terms, right? N by 2. 2 times of A is what? 3 plus n minus 1. What is n, bacha? Right here, n minus 1 as it is. What is the common difference? Please tell me. 3 only. So 3. Have a look. Sum of 5 terms means 5 by 2. 6 plus 4 into 3. Have a look. 5 by 2. 6 plus 12. 5 into 18 by 2 is 9, 9 5s are 45. Answer is A. Easy peasy, very easy question, right? 2 9s are 18, 9 into 5 is 45. 9 into 5 is 45. Simple problem. Let's move on to question number 4. Question number 4. In an AP, A equals to 1, A equals 20, sum of n terms is 399. Then n is what? We'll apply the formula. First term is given and the last term is also given, sir. Right? Find the formula, sir. I don't have to find, sir. I know the formula. A plus L. Excellent. What is Sn going to be? 399 and upon 2. What is A going to be, bacha? 1 plus 20. Multiply over here. 399 into 2. 798. 400 into 2 is how much? 402 into 2 is 800 minus 2. So 798 divided by 21, sir, equals to n, sir. Okay. So I can do here 7, right? 7 1s are 7 and 7 14s are what? 98. 7 3s are what I get? 114 by 3 equals to n. 3 times of what? 38. Please check. 3 3s are 9 and 3 is 24. So 38. N is what? 38, sir. N is what? 38, sir. Option number C is the correct answer. Please have a look. Please have a look and solve the questions. If I'm going a little faster, pause the video, solve from your side, then come back and check the solution. If I still feel that it's faster, you're not getting the question also to see, do one thing. I hope you've already joined it, but if you have not joined the WhatsApp channel, get this question sheet, the sessions PDF, session notes delivered to you in the WhatsApp channel, and then you can solve these questions again. Okay, the link for the WhatsApp channel will be given in the description of the video, so please go ahead and enroll yourself and so basically join the WhatsApp channel. Don't worry about your privacy and data, sir. We will not get any of this, your data, your the information. Only you'll be joining a channel. Okay, it's not a group, it's a channel, so there's a difference, bacha. Okay, great. So this is the answer. Fourth question, C. Moving on to what? The assertion and reason now, sir. Okay, moving on to assertion and reason now, sir. Question number 1. The sum of an AP is 4, 12, 20, 28 and 100 is 676. They're saying that, they're saying that if you add 4 plus 12 plus 20 plus 28 till 100, the result is what? 676. I can check that, but I need what? I need the n value. So find the n value, please. How can I find the n value? Sir, an equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. What is an, bacha? 100. 100 is the last term, no? So 100. First term is 4. N minus 1 times of d. What is d, bacha? 4 plus 12 is what? 12 minus 4 basically. So 8. 4 plus 8 will be 12. Bring this over here, you're going to get 96, right? 4 over here. 100 minus 4 is 96 divided by 8 equals to n minus 1. Okay, what is going to be? 12, right? 12 8s are 96. So what is going to be this? N minus 1 equals to 12. So n equals to what? 13. Now check for sum when n is 13. If it is coming as 676, then answer is correct. So Sn equals to what? S13 they can find directly. S13 equals to what? 13 upon 2 and first term and last term. So 4 plus 100. Okay, so 13 by 2 into 104. Cancel this. 252, right? 2 5 is 10 and 2 2 is 4. So I have 13 into 52. Please check. 13 2s are 26. So 6 is here, 2 is carry. 13 5s are 65 plus 2, 67. Is it the same thing? Yes, it is same thing. Means assertion is right. Check the reason now. Minus 150 is a term of the AP 11.8 and 11.852. 11.8, this is AP given like this. 11.8, I'm dealing with what? Reason now. 11.852. First term is 11. Common difference is what, bacha? Minus 3. Please check. 8 minus 11 is what? Minus 3. So common difference is minus 3. They are saying that an equals to minus 150. Please pause, check if possible or not. So when can this be possible, bacha? If the n term is n is a natural number, right? Number has to be natural. Which term? First term, second term, third term. We won't say zero term, we won't say negative term, we won't say fractional term. So n has to be a natural number. Check for that. What's the an formula? A plus n minus 1 times of d equals to minus 150. है ना? What's a going to be? 11 plus n minus 1. I don't know n minus 1. D is how much? Minus 3 equals to what? Minus 150. Have a look. Bring 11 on that side. I get what? Minus 3 is over here. Minus 150 minus 11. How much is that? Minus 161 divided by minus 3 equals to what? N minus 1. Cancel this. So n equals to what? 161 plus 3 plus 1. है ना? Add it. 161 plus 3 upon 3. How much is that? 164 by 3 is n value. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 11. So this is going to be not a rational number. Sorry, natural number. This is not n. This is not coming as a natural number. Okay. In that case, minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. It means reason is incorrect. Okay. So which is the correct option? Option number C. Assertion is true, reason is false. Option number C. Excellent question. Okay. Chali, have a look. Alright. Yes. Moving on to question number 6. Second assertion reason. Okay. Sum of first n terms of a positive bacha. This is a positive integer. Okay. Is n by 2 n plus 1. Have a look. Positive integer means what? 1, 2, 3 and how many terms? N terms. So till n. Sum of first n terms means what, bacha? Sn equals to, how many terms are there? N terms. So n by 2. What is the first term? 1, sir. Last term? N, sir. What's the answer? N times of n plus 1 by 2. Same thing written over here. So assertion is correct. Let's check the reason. 50th term of an AP 8, 14, 20, 26 will be 72 more than its 41st term. Chaliye check karte hain. Let's see. Write the AP first. So 8, 10, 14, 20, 26. Right? What's the A value? A is 8. What's the D value? D is 2. Is D okay? 8. There's no 10, right? There's no 10. Okay, so D is going to be what, bacha? D is going to be 6, right? 8 plus 6 is 14, right? So D is going to be 6, bacha. Okay, they're asking that 50th term means A50 is 72 more than what? A41. A41 means whatever value of A41 we have, A50 will be 72 more than A41. Let's find A41 first, right? Let's find A41 first. So A41 will find here. A plus 40D we will write. Okay. What is A? A is 8. 40 times what? D is coming as 6. Please check. A is 8, D is 6, right? Great. So I can write this as 8 plus 2 into 4. 4 into 6 is what? 24. 240. What's the answer, bacha? 248. Okay. Let's find now A50. A50 will be A plus, how much is this? 49 times of D. Correct, na? 50 means, for 50 minus 1 is 49 times of D. How much is this? A is 8, was 49. D is 6, please check. 8 plus 9 into 6, so 54. Carries 5, 6 into 4, so 24 plus 5, 29. Add them please. 4 plus 8 is 2, 0 and 3. So A50 is what? 302 and A41 is what? 248. Please check. Please check over here. If I bring this on this side, what I get? A50 minus A41 equals to what? 72. है ना? Equals 72. Now please check. I can do it over here also. A50. If I'm getting the same answer, then the statement is correct. 302 minus 248, right? Please check. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is how much, bacha? 4, sir. 4, sir. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now 9 minus 4 will be what, bacha? 5, sir. Okay. 54 is the difference. So not equal to 72. So option number, or the reason is also incorrect. Assertion is right? Assertion is correct. So I'm getting the answer to be, which option is this? Answer is assertion is true, reason is false. So option number C again. Option number C again. Okay, please have a look. All right. Yes. Now, since you're watching this video, okay, I have a important and exciting announcement to make for you guys. So if you are in 10th grade, that's why you're watching this video, you have a question saying that what to do after 10th, sir. Okay, every student in 10th grade has this question. So the answer for this is DSET program. Okay, first, for all the queries, for all your doubts, you have to do this. You'll get all your doubts and all your queries answered very easily. What is DSAT? So DSAT is Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. We organize it every year, so we are doing this year as well. This is organized on Sundays for your benefit. It can be easily taken care of on that day, and it will be a 3-hour session at our offline campuses, Diksha. You have to visit there and write this program. Okay, so enroll in this program. How can you enroll, bacha? First of all, visit the link given in the description. Once you visit the link, fill out this form. Okay, our team will get in touch with you. You can schedule a time and slot, what time you want to visit our campuses on Sunday. You can visit, you can spare some time on that to answer what a very important question, what you should do. What's the right choice after 10th grade? Sir, I don't know whether I should go for science, commerce, arts, whatever it is. So answer is DSAT. How does it work, bacha? So it will help you understand what subject you should choose first of all. So for those students who doesn't know what to do after 10th, the subject only they don't know. For others who know the subject, let's say they want to do engineering, then or want to do medical, then this will help you understand and assist to check your competency level for your JEE, NEET or KSAT. Okay, what exactly should you do, where you stand, how can you improve, how can you get better. Okay, now what will going to be in this, okay, what's the structure of DSAT going to be, we'll talk about that at the end of the session. Right now I will go back to solving your subjective questions. I have solved total of I think 4 + 2 6 questions, right? We'll solve almost 4 more questions, then I'll discuss the structure of DSAT and how can it benefit you in detail. Okay, let's get back to the session. Chaliye. Okay, so question number 7, sir. The first term of an AP is 3, the last term is 83, and the sum of all its term is 903. Find the number of terms and the common difference of the AP. Chaliye. So first term is what? Let's write the information given. 3. Last term means L is 83. Great. Sum of its terms means SN is 903. Find the number of terms, right? Let's find it. So SN equals to n by 2, 3 plus 83. What is SN going to be, bacha? 903 times of 2, okay, n times of 86. Bring it over here. 903, okay, times of 2 upon 86 equals to n. Cancel this with 2. What I'm gonna get? 43. Okay, 43. So 43 times, again, what will you multiply by 3 to get 903? So first of all, you can check, first of all, very smart calculation over there. Please have a look. So I have 43 over here. If you multiply 43 with 20, it'll be 860, right? 43 into 10 is 430. 43 into 20 is how much? 860. You can see this number is more than that. So after 20 times, which number you will multiply to get 903? Sir, simply 21, sir. Please check, bacha. If you're not sure, check, sir. 43 times of 21. 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6, and 4 2s are 8. Now check here. 3 0 9. Answer is 903. 43 times 21 is 903. Okay. Which term is this going to be, bacha? 21st term. If you add first 21st term, what is the answer? 903. Great. Now, is this over? No, sir. They are asking also the common difference. Please solve it. So I'll write this case. An equals to what, bacha? N equals to A plus n minus 1 times of D. What is An going to be? A21. What's A21? So this is going to be 83. The last term is 83, right? So 83. A is what? 3. 20 times D. 3 bring here. I get 80. Bring this 20 over here. Divide by 20. What's D, bacha? D is 4, sir. So my answers are 21 and common difference as 4. Simple problem. Hai na? Right? Moving on. Again a PYQ asked in CBSE Delhi paper 19. Okay? Please check. how many terms of the AP 27, 24, 21 should be taken so that their sum is 0? Means Sn is given as 0. Sn is given as 0. Chaliye, let's see. So Sn is 0 means what? First identify your first term. First term is 27. Common difference is what, bacha? 24 minus 27. So minus 3. We don't know n, right? So write Sn as n by 2. 2 times of a plus n minus 1 times of d equals to 0. Bring this 2 on this side. It's going to become 2 into 0, so 0 only. So I get n times of 2 into a. So 2 into 27 plus n minus 1 times of what is d, bacha? Minus 3 equals to 0. I've taken the 2 on the other side. N times of 54 minus 3n plus 3 equals to 0. 54 plus 3, please check. 57 minus 3n equals to 0, right? So from here, if you factorize this, what's the answer? It's already factorized. If you equate both the forms, factors, either n is 0 or what is the other one? 57 minus 3n equals to 0. So I get what? 57 equals to 3n. Excuse me. 57 equals to 3n means n equals to what? 19. N equals to what? 19, sir. Hence, which term can we take the sum of the terms to be 0? I can't take 0 term is not defined. So I have to take what? If you add sum of 19 terms, the answer will be what, bacha? 0. This is your answer. Total number of terms are there. How many? 19 terms. If you add how many terms? 19 terms for the given sequence together, you'll be reaching what? 0 as your answer. Chaliye. Simple problem. Have a look once again. Moving to question number 9. Again a PYQ. Okay, an NCERT problem also from CBSE Delhi paper 16. Sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of first 17 terms is 289. Okay, before moving to the next part, let's solve this condition. Sum of 7 terms. So sir, S7, excuse me, let's write the Sn first. N by 2, 2a plus, this is a formula, right? Write S7 now. So 7 by 2, 2a means, do I know 2a? I don't know 2a. So 2a plus, how much is that, bacha? 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is how much? Write 7 minus 1. How much is that? 6. So let me write directly 6 there. I want to show you, that's why I wrote it like that. So 6 times of d. है ना? Now write S of what? 7 is there. In this case, use 17 now. Okay. Achha, before that I can simplify this. S7 equals to what? Cancel this. 7 and I can take here 2 common. Please check. 1 second. 1 second, sir. I can write one less step. S7 is how much? 49. So right here. 49 equals to 7 by 2 is there, no? And take 2 common from these 2 terms. Okay. So if you take 2 common, what are you going to get? A plus 3d, na? A plus 3d, right? So cancel this and this. What are you going to get now? 49. Divide this. 49, bring it this 7 over here. 49 by 7 equals to a plus 3d. What is it going to be? A plus 3d equals to what? 7 7s are 49, right? So 7. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Okay, simple enough. Next part. Have a look on this side. Great. Now we're looking for what? A17. So I'll do it quickly now in this case. It's not A17, S17. Sum is given, right? Sum is given, so S17 I'll take. S17 will be bacha what? 17 upon 2. What is this going to be? Tell me. 2a plus 16d. I can cancel now 2 with this 2 and this with 8. What I'm getting now? Please check. S17 is how much? 289. So right here. 289 equals to 17 times of what? A plus 8d. Cancel the 17 with 289. So what I'm getting? A plus 8d equals to 17. Equation number 2. Now subtract equation 2 and 1. 2 from 1. Sorry, 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1. Check here. What I'm going to get? 17 will become what? 10. 17 minus 7 is how much? 10 on the right hand side. A and A will cancel. 8D minus 3D will become what, bacha? 8D minus 3D will become 5D. So what is D going to be? 2. D is going to be what? 2. 1 second. D is 2, sir. Great. Now find the sum of first n terms of an AP. Do we know the first term? Do we know the first term? We have to find the first term also first. So far what I have is S of 7 equals to what? 7 by 2. Have a look. 7 by 2. Okay. But I can put it in the equation and get the answer for A from here first. Yes. Put D equals to this in this condition. Or here also we can put simply. Forgive me for. Put it here. D as 2. So what I'm going to get? A plus 3 times of 2, right? Equals to 7, right? So what is A equals to? Simply 1, sir. Correct, na? 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So A equals to 1. Now over here, have a look. Some things. Okay, what are they asking us? So first of all, we have A as 1 and D as 2. They're asking us to find what? Sn. Find Sn, bacha. N by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 times of D is how much? 2. So n by 2, 2A plus 2n minus 2. Okay, 2n minus 2. Have a look. 2n minus 2. Okay. A is what, bacha? A is again 1, right? So write here this value. 2 into 1 plus 2n minus 2. Cancel this 2 and 2. What I get? I get n by 2 times of 2n. Cancel 2 and 2. What is the answer? N square. So sum of n term is how much for the given sequence? N square. The answer is n square, sir. Not visible. I can do it again. Certainly. Over here, have a look. Okay. Sn equals to n square is my answer. Whatever we are looking for, sum of first n terms, that is coming as n square. Simple enough. है ना? Yes. First find make the two equations using the sum of first 7 terms and sum of first 17 terms. You get the two equations, a plus 3d and a plus 8d, and subtract them like this. 2 minus 1. Get d value as 2. Put it in the first equation. A value is 1. Find the Sn formula using 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Use all the values of a and d, as a is 1, d is 2. Cancel it. You're gonna get it as n square. Answer is n square. Moving on to question number 10, and the last question of the day. A very good question. By looking at this statement, please do not give up. Okay, looking at the statement, please do not give up. Simple question. You'll see. We will apply what we have learned. Nothing different. Nothing different will apply. Only what we have learned. Let's see. So that the sum of all terms of an AP, okay, whose first term is A. चलिए लिख लेते हैं. First term is what, बच्चा? Is A, and the second term is B, and the last term is C. So last term is what? C. Last term I can write it as L also. So last term is C. Great. The second term is B and the last term is C. Is equals to what? What is this going to be? This is given as sum of n terms, right? Sum of n terms, what we need, bacha? Sum of n term is equals to what? N by 2. Okay. I'll write the form first, then we'll get the missing values. So n by 2, great. A plus L, the first term plus last term. First plus last. So n by 2, first term is how much? A. Last is what? C. So compare here. I have 2 here. I have A plus C also here. Only variable that is missing is n. So I have to write n in terms of what? In terms of A, B, C. That's our answer. That's our goal, sir. If I can find what? N in terms of A, B, C. That's my answer. Correct? Chaliye. Great. Let's do that right away. So n by 2 A plus C. N by 2 A plus C. Okay. Now what is this n going to be? For that I can write the last term. An equals to what? A plus n minus 1 times of D. A plus n minus 1 times of D. What is the common difference? Tell me here. Common difference is going to be bacha second term minus the first term. Second term is what bacha? B. So B minus the first term is what? A. This is my common difference. Have a look. This is my common difference. Okay, great. What is going to be now? What is the, I know A. Okay, everything else I know. So An is what bacha? An is C, sir. Have a look. Last term is what? C. So right here, for this, right here, C equals to A as it is, the first term, and for n I don't know, so I write n minus 1 as it is, minus 1. What is D? Please check. D is this, B minus A, hai na? D is B minus A. Great. Bring this A over here. What I'm gonna get? C minus A equals to n times of B minus A and minus B times, okay, like this. Check here. B minus A times of n, so n times of B minus A, and B minus A times of minus 1, so minus times of B minus A. So bring this whole thing over here. What I'm gonna get? Please check. Please check. I'm gonna get here as C minus A minus will become what? Plus, no? So plus B minus A. B minus A. Great. Equals to what? N B minus A. So you can see the answer from here only. Please check. C plus B positive and minus A and minus A. So minus 2A. So what I'm getting over here, if I'm writing like this, C plus B first, I have B also positive, right? So C plus B minus A is here, minus A is here. So minus 2A equals to what, bacha? N times of B minus A or not. Let me write this statement on this side. I don't have a space over here. Okay. So let me write it over here only. I don't have much space. I can write n as, I'll bring B minus A on this side. So I'll write what? C plus B minus 2A upon what? Upon B minus A. It's in multiplication, comes here by becomes division. So B minus A, okay, equals to what? Equals to n. C plus B minus 2A upon B minus A becomes equals to n. Now we know n value, right? We know n value now. So I'll substitute in this condition. Please check. Okay. So this is my n value now. I'll put this n value in the missing statement over here. Have a look. If I continue from this side, so Sn equals to, what is n going to be? Sir, C plus B or B plus C minus 2A, so minus 2A upon B minus A. This is just n value, bacha. B minus A. This is just n value. What is 2? This is going to be 2. So right here 2. A plus C will remain as it is. Now please check. Isn't this what they were asking us to prove? Please check. B plus C minus 2A. B plus C minus 2A multiplied with A plus C in the numerator divided by 2 times of B minus A. So it's proved, right? Proved, sir. Have a look. Please have a look. Very simple. Yes. Okay. Great. So this completes our concept part of AP. That is all which is there. As I said, we'll talk about structure of DSAT program, the Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. Okay. So very uniquely combined scholarship and aptitude test. Okay. So what it does is, if you score well in your aptitude test, so let me talk about the structure first. So 3-hour session on the Sunday. Great. In the first hour, you'll have a lecture given by our very experienced faculty. Okay. In that 1 hour session, what will be the bacha? You'll have 45 minutes of lecture concept time and 50 minutes of question and answer round. So first 1 hour will be divided into 2 sections. 45 minutes of concept, our faculty will teach you. Last 15 minutes, you will get to have what? You'll get to have your questions answered. You'll get to have your doubts answered. Very good. Next 1 hour, you have to write an aptitude test. Okay, so 2 hours are gone now. First lecture in which you had a doubt session. Second hour was aptitude test. Now third hour is a very important session where you get to answer, where you get to ask the question. Okay, ask your doubts about your career. For that, you'll have a very experienced counseling team answering all your questions. Faculties will also sit with you and answer your queries. Okay. For the last 1 hour, you can sit back with us, with you and with your parents, and ask all of your questions. I will suggest you to do one thing: list out before going for the the session on Sunday. list out all your questions, write all the questions in one page, in one place, so that you will not forget, you do not miss anything that you want to ask, that you want any questions to be answered from our side. So you'll have that. Okay, so I hope you will join this, and I hope you will get the benefit of this. If I had this when I was a student, I would have loved to do this, but I'm telling you, please go ahead, enroll now and get a very big benefit. One more thing, if you score well in your aptitude test, and if you like to join us, if you like to join us for 11th and 12th for your preparation, for your journey, then you'll get a very attractive scholarship for the admissions for your 11th and 12th. Okay, so please make sure that you get visit us, visit the link in the given description, and visit us during the Sunday. Okay, with this I would like to end the session today, bacha. So with this, AP is complete. We'll do PYQs, we'll do a revision, we'll do test, everything is coming. But right now, I hope you are learning well. I hope you are doing, a very good practice. I hope we are assisting you in the best way possible. If any other thing you want from us, let us know in the comment section. We would like to really improve and let you or enable you to score that 99% marks. No compromise whatsoever there. So I know you can, I know you want to. So please make sure that you are interacted with us. Any queries that you are having, let us know. So with this, bacha, keep smiling, keep working hard. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.